Welcome to Startup Space. In today's video, we will cover how to set up and edit your profile. It is important to set up and edit your profile because based on this profile, you can connect with other members as well as have personally curated information on your homepage for different resources, events, and articles. To set up your profile, you can either select Set up or Edit My Profile from Ask Ev, or in your toolkit on the homepage, select Edit Profile. From there are a variety of different fields you can fill out to give other users more information about yourself. There are fields such as your name and your city to simply give people a general idea about yourself and where you live. But you can additionally add specific information about yourself, such as also languages that you speak and different areas that you are interested in, or any specific areas that you have expertise in. Additionally, we have a tab selected called the Active Community Member selection. From there, you can select the Active Community Member checkbox to indicate that other members may connect with you through Startup Space. The other important field to fill out on your profile is your persona. We have a variety of different personas to fill out, including startups, entrepreneurs, governments, mentors, corporations, and students. From there, you select your profile, you select your persona, and then add any additional information that relates to that persona. If you have other personas, such as a mentor, it will give you different fields to fill out, so these personas can be more relatable with different members. Additionally, these personas help to power your homepage curated information. From there, you can select Update Profile, and you will see any additional information on your profile. To see how others would view your profile, select Profile, and this is the view that other members would see when they are looking at your profile. Other users will be able to see different information, including your interests, experience, and other things that you have accomplished on the platform, or events you have attended, or other contact information as well. Additionally, you can connect with other members by selecting their LinkedIn profile, their calendar, their venture, their business model, canvas, or their files. These are something that you will see yourself. However, they may not be shareable with other people depending on the permissions that you give. If you need more support, visit startupspace.us/support.